Hello, this is the Devil on Holiday. YouTube has now introduced 60 frames per second capability to all users. In this video, I will show you a comparison between 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second for desktop programs and games to demonstrate the perceived difference between the two frame rates. To see this, you need to be running Chrome at the moment to see 60 frames per second, and then select 720p 60 in the quality options menu in the bottom right. Here, the desktop looks very similar between 30 and 60 frames per second, though it does look a tad smoother at 60 frames per second. It still isn't totally obvious. Now let's look at Minecraft. Here the entire frame will be updating constantly, so the difference should be much more obvious. You can see how much CPU is being used for recording in the chart on the right hand side. We're already hitting 8%, so there isn't a lot of headroom left for high frame rate recording, but changing the recording settings can help alleviate this. More on this later. And here we have 60 frames per second. Look how smooth this is, exactly how it would look to you playing the game yourself. I had to adjust the recording settings to keep the CPU utilization down to prevent the game from getting too jumpy. I had VSync on here to prevent any screen tearing with the graphics settings cranked up in Minecraft, so I was getting between 55 and 60 frames per second consistently. Here is a side-by-side comparison. You can see the 30 frames per second mode lagging just a tiny bit, but this shows that 60 frames per second is only truly worth it if you're recording games in full screen, not so much if you're recording the desktop. I also experimented with the bit rates. I thought 8 megabits at 60 FPS looked a bit blocky, so I doubled the bit rate and the image looked good again, though YouTube downsamples everything, so I don't know how this will turn out, but it won't be as obvious to you as it was to me looking at raw video. Here's a brief look at Portal 2. This is what you're all used to, 30 frames per second. This can be a very fast-paced game, but it is only when you get to 60 frames per second where the true likeness of the game comes out. Here is where the CPU utilization was too high to support 60 frames per second recording with the very fast option picked in Simple Screen Recorder. As you can see, the CPU is hitting 90% and Minecraft was getting laggy. I got around this by choosing the ultra fast preset, which reduces the file compression, but I sacrificed disk space as the 2-minute Minecraft recording was now 1.2 gigabytes compared to 300 megabytes for the very fast preset. Here is the impact of high frame rate rendering at various bit rates. The first thing that happens is that the render time almost doubles because there are double the frames to render, but in theory the quality won't be as good until you increase the bit rate. This doesn't have much impact on recording times, but the output file size has been doubled, which will take twice as long to upload to YouTube. In conclusion, if you are just recording desktop apps or video where the full frame isn't changing, such as a simple blog or 2D games, then it is not worth the extra rendering time and disk space to jump to 60 frames per second, as the viewer won't notice that much of a difference. However, if you're running a full screen game such as Minecraft, then it is totally worth the step up as the game looks so much smoother and provides a much more enjoyable viewing experience. Thanks for watching.